Hello and welcome to this tutorial video where I show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone. This will work on both iOS and Android. And once you've opened up your Instagram account, you want to tap on your profile icon there in the lower right-hand corner. Looks like a little person icon with a circle around it. That'll take you to your profile. Once we're here, you want to tap into the three horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner to open up the options. And then once here, you want to tap into the gear icon that says Settings and Privacy. Should be somewhere close to the top of the screen. Once you've selected Settings and Privacy, you want to select the one right there that says Accounts Center. So go to Accounts Center here. And then what you want to do is you want to go to where you see Account Settings, Personal Details. Go ahead and tap into Personal Details. Now what you want to do is you want to go to where you see Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and tap into Account Ownership and Control. The one you want is Deactivation or Deletion. Go ahead and tap into that option there, and then select the account which you want to deactivate. So for me, it's my Instagram account, and then you're going to have two separate options. Deactivating your account, which is what we're doing in this video, is going to temporarily remove or hide your Instagram account. So it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through the Account Center, basically going through the same process that we're doing to deactivate it, right? And then what you would do is you would select that and then go ahead and tap the blue Continue button. There'll be a couple more confirmation buttons to hit, but once you do that, it may ask you to log in once more with your password just to confirm your identity. Your account will now be deactivated temporarily until you go back into your Instagram account through the app and reactivate it through the details that we just did. If you have any questions on deactivating your Instagram account temporarily, please put those in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.